Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's quick JASMY video update again. Guys, if you're really interested in the signals, join our signals. And I've been talking about some potential coins that are about to move to the upside. But anyway, right now we already saw some nice break of JASMY from there to there, and you're looking for JASMY to actually take you to a next technical target from here down here. It's like you have some sort of a triple bottom. So what I'm going to say is JASMY is looking to fly up to 0.011, and that's going to be a nice lovely gains from there to there. That's going to be like a 13% move to the upside. Okay, so right now you can already see that you did have a little bit of resistance there, resistance here, some few ones out over there. There's a little bit of retest I'm expecting. It will be amazing if it does come to 10005. You will take an entry here, and that would be an amazing lovely ride all the way to 0.011897. That would be really amazing here. But I don't know, I'm looking for a retest. I'm expecting a retest down here, then take an entry and move to the upside. Watch the Bitcoin update today. Bitcoin is about to go to $24,000. If you need a detailed explanation, just watch the Bitcoin video. And that's it for this update, quick one, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.